Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Selma if you're new here. Today I thought I could film a what I eat in a day video since I haven't shared one in a while. Today we're gonna make super quick, easy, healthy and high protein meals that are ready in less than 15 minutes. For breakfast, I thought we could try an interesting flavor combination that I saw on Pinterest. So first, we're gonna toast 2 slices of high fiber bread. We're gonna top the bread with cottage cheese, which is a great source of protein. I'm not the biggest fan of cottage cheese on its own. I don't know if it's because of the texture or the flavor. I think in this combination it will work pretty well because I think I won't be even able to taste it. Next, we're gonna add some almond butter or any other nut butter you have. And lastly, we need some jam. I wanted to make this a bit healthier, so I made a homemade raspberry chia jam yesterday, which is super easy to make and it's packed with fiber. So we're gonna add this on top. I'm gonna add a lot of it so I won't taste the cottage cheese. Here's the ready breakfast. This took less than 5 minutes to make. Let's try this out. I actually like it. I think it's really good. It's just a bit messy to eat because I added so much toppings. I can't really taste the cottage cheese. It just adds some creaminess. And I think that the raspberry chia jam and the almond butter combination is really good. Definitely recommend trying this out. It's high in protein, high in fiber, and a great source of healthy fats. So a very balanced breakfast. For lunch, we're gonna make a folded wrap. We're gonna start by cracking eggs into a bowl. I'm gonna use 2 eggs, but if you are feeling really hungry, you could use 3 eggs and even add some cottage cheese for extra protein. Then we're gonna add a pinch of salt and pepper. And whisk with a fork. Then we pour the eggs into a greased pan. Then we add a high fiber tortilla on top and we let it cook for a few minutes on both sides. Then we're gonna cut a slit into the side of the tortilla, like that. Next we add the fillings. First we're gonna add pesto. And crumbled feta. And a sliced tomato. And prosciutto. And arugula. And then we just fold the wrap. And here's the ready wrap. Super simple, but so tasty. For a snack, we're gonna make a creamy raspberry smoothie. So first we need 1 cup of frozen raspberries. I thought I had frozen bananas in the freezer, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna add half a banana and 1/4 cup of milk. And then we need 3/4 cup of high protein Greek yogurt. And lastly, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we'll just blend until creamy. here's the ready smoothie. It's so creamy and yummy. I need to show you guys our new dining chairs that we finally got. I think they look so good with the table. So we got the table already in October, but the chairs were sold out. So we've been waiting for over 3 months, but I had a vision that they would look good together, and these chairs were just within our budget. They were 65 euros each, but I'm so glad we waited because I think they look really good. But now I need your opinion. Would you add some kind of artwork on that wall? And if so, what kind of art? Like a picture, a poster, or an abstract artwork? Because here in the living room, we already have that big mirror and those 2 pictures from New York. But now I feel like I want to add more color into the apartment. Maybe get colorful pillow covers, coffee table books, and possibly something colorful on that wall. So if you have any ideas what we should add there, let me know in the comments. I just did an at-home workout. Every January, I prefer doing at-home workouts than going to the gym because it's so crowded there. So I've been walking a lot on my walking pad and doing Pilates workouts from YouTube. Aaron is just about to come home from work. He's had a very long day, so I thought I would make dinner ready before he gets here. So we're gonna make stuffed sweet potatoes. The quickest way to cook the sweet potatoes is in the microwave. So we're gonna poke some holes to the sweet potatoes so they cook even quicker. Then we're gonna microwave these for about 8 minutes. Meanwhile, the sweet potatoes are in the microwave. We're gonna cook lean ground beef. Then we season it with salt. Then you could add a ready taco seasoning, but since I have IBS, I'm making my own spice mix. So I'm adding paprika, oregano, ground cumin, pinch of chili flakes, pinch of pepper. I also like to add some water so it's easier to mix the spices with the ground beef. Now the sweet potatoes should be ready. You can poke them with a fork to make sure they are soft. For topping, we need half an avocado, then we add the ground beef on top, and lettuce, and cottage cheese, and the avocado, lastly we drizzle honey on top and add a pinch of chili flakes. And here's the ready dinner. Aaron just got home, so now we're gonna eat the dinner and watch the newest episode of The Rookie. Then we're gonna make the easiest 2-ingredient, healthier dessert. So we're just gonna mix pomegranate seeds with dark chocolate chips. This is such a great combination. If you haven't tried it yet, this is your sign. The written recipes for the folded wrap, the smoothie, and the stuffed sweet potatoes can be found in my new recipe ebook, Healthy Food Made Easy. It has 85 quick and low-effort recipes. There are breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, and healthier dessert recipes in the book. I'll add the link down below. Thank you so much to everyone who's already bought the book. It really means the world to me. What kind of videos would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments. See you guys next week. Bye.